Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 keyboard disappeared issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, swipe down and open Control Center and click on this restart icon. Now restart your mobile and after restarting go back to your home screen and then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open general management. Now in general management, scroll down and open keyboard list and default. Now here click on default keyboard and then select Samsung keyboard as default keyboard. After that go back and then in settings open apps. Now in apps click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps. After that scroll down and then open here open Samsung keyboard. Now go to the storage of Samsung keyboard and after that clear the app data and cache memory of Samsung keyboard.